So I've just had a rain shower and the car hasn't moved all day, so it's a prime opportunity to have a look at the bead pattern and hydrophobic nature of the waterless washes that I used at the weekend. So all good, not quite Gyeon, but looking good nonetheless. So this boot panel was done with Maguire's. This side of the bonnet was done using Chemical Guys. This side of the bonnet was done using Maguire's. No discernible break point and difference with pattern. Maybe you've got a little bit more spherical this side and maybe slightly larger that side, but performing well